Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Let's wait for some time so that they can join, and then we'll get started.
Yes, sir. Sir, what we are going to do today?
Today we'll work more on that flying cat project.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Did you complete your maths quiz?
Yes.
Okay. So today we will add subtraction.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Okay, let's wait for another 2-3 minutes. And couple of announcement. Next Thursday, okay, we will have a quiz. So I want all of you to attend. And also we are going to have a feedback session. So I will request all of your parents to join Thursday class, just half an hour. Okay, 15 minutes to half an hour. We'll have a chat with them, and then we will start a quiz. Okay, that is a plan for us next class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And
Okay.
we are, yeah, now we are at midway of the course. So now after this, all the classes will be a project. Okay, we'll every class we will develop one game. Okay, so we have what, 4. What happened? Why people are not joining? Okay, so who wants to share that flying cat? Whatever you have done, please share. I mean, today we will add more, into it. But who wants to share?
Can I share?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. So I did it, but I didn't save it, so I forgot to save it.
That is not a good, right? We need to save this.
Then I saved it.
Okay, good. Okay, cat is slowly coming down. Fine. Then use up arrow.
So once you can search now or not, it always does not work after the second time. It's not working.
That means some problem.
Sir, now it's working. Yes, sir. Now. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Who else wants to share?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Itasha, would you like to share? Vishesha,
Yes, sir.
would you like to share about cat, flying cat, whatever you have done?
Sir, I forgot to save it.
Why? Every time, people are giving this answer. This is not good. Once we do the work, immediately we should save. Okay. So, Deepti ma'am, should we start or should we wait? It's already 5:08 and I see only 4 are there.
Sir, but sometimes when I save it, when I open it, I can't open.
Yeah, I think, sir, we should complete this project.
Okay.
They can take the code from the WhatsApp group and they can complete it. If some problem is there, we can explain next class.
Okay, sure. So let's get started. So I want all of you to at least finish the basic, cat flying. If you're not done, quickly do it. I'm giving you,
So,
yeah,
but can you tell me how to save my project?
I will tell you. I'll tell you. Scratch.
Sir, when I save it, it doesn't come for me.
Okay, so, okay, for whom it is not working? Vishesha, right?
So sometimes when I save it,
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you share your screen?
yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll show you how to save that quickly. Okay, so let's do something. For example, see on top you see that there is a name Scratch project.
Yes.
Yeah, just change it to some maybe flying cat or something. FLY
FLY. Flying.
space cat. Okay, good. Okay, now what you need to do, just go to the control or event. Let's go to the event. Event. There are blocks, right? Event blocks left hand side.
This one?
Event block. Where are the events?
The yellow color event.
Yes, yellow.
Okay, then drag this, click on a green flag. When click on a green flag, okay, this is fine. Now what I want you to go to the file and save. Save to computer. Okay, now it will ask you why it is not coming anything.
So she didn't press it, she just kept her circle on top of it. So
Oh.
she didn't press it correctly.
Okay, again, Vishesha, again go to the file and click on a save to this computer. Yeah, click. Bye. Okay, so I'm requesting you, access. Just allow me. I'll be controlling your, computer.
So now can you control?
Yes, I think I can. I'm not able to edit. Okay, can you click on a file again? File and save to computer. Okay, just close this. Let's see what happened.
Which sir?
Can you again go to the file?
Yes, I think she didn't click properly.
Okay, click on a new. Cancel. Say cancel. Okay, go to the file.
Yes, sir.
Load from a computer.
Load from computer.
Click.
Yes.
No. Can you click the load from computer?
Vishesha, click.
Yes, I clicked.
No, again click it.
Okay, so
Where are you running this? You have a Windows or a Mac?
Mac, so Mac.
Can you close the Scratch? I want to see, how it is quickly. Not spend much more time. Otherwise, I'll have a separate session with you. No, share your desktop, entire desktop.
Okay.
Vishesha.
I'll share my.
No, don't close it. Just minimize. Yeah, second button. Yeah, click on that. Okay, looks like got stuck. I think internet is an issue or what?
No, sir, there's no internet issue.
Everyone is able to see this stuck Zoom screen, or only I am able to see that?
So it's stuck. It's stuck.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Okay, fine, Vishesha. So I think, do one thing. Maybe, let's have a separate one-on-one session tomorrow so that I can, fix all this issue what you're facing. Okay, saving and loading. Make sure that, we do it tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, now you can stop sharing. Let me share a screen.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing it. Okay, so let me open up a Scratch. Okay, so what I will do now, I will open up the project which I have saved. Okay, so I will go here, flying cat. Okay, so I'm giving you, 5 minutes. I want all of you to finish, at least this thing. I think Pratik has already done it. So whoever has not done it, please quickly finish it.
So I'll just see.
Night.
Okay, so everyone is done with this. Should we go to the next step?
Yeah, sir.
Everyone is done with this one? Who is not
No,
done
sir.
till now? Vishesa is not done. What about Skanda?
No, sir.
Sir, I did it last class. I didn't save it and the whole thing went.
I know. So I don't know why they are not able to save that. Okay, so let me, show you how to save. So let's say I have done all this thing. Now I want to save this. I can say file, save to computer. Okay, and then here I can give some new name. Okay, I'll give new underscore flying underscore cat and save. This will basically save this. Okay, and now if I, let's say close the Scratch and open the Scratch again. I will, say load from a computer and I will get this, and you can see everything comes back. That is how we need to save all the work. Whatever you do, please save it. Otherwise, it will be lost. And, we want all of you to submit all this project. Okay. So please finish all of your project. Okay. So next, what we want to do is we have done the cat flying. Now let's say cat falls down. What happened? That also we should do it, right? So let's see how we can do that. So first, let me, so my cat is going up, right, left, and down. Okay, fine. So this is working fine, left, right, up. What I want to do now, let's say my cat falls down. In that case, I want to show that, it is a kind of a crash. So what I will do, I will duplicate this. Okay, and I will put it here. Sorry. And I will give a name as a crash. Okay, and what I will do, I will remove some of the parts of a cat so that it looks like cat is gone, got a fracture. Okay, are you able to follow what I'm doing?
Yes.
I duplicated one of the costume and just removed all this thing, just moved them apart so that it looks like kind of fracture.
So now try flying up and try coming down.
Wait a second, what you are saying?
So now try flying up and come down.
I will do that. Give me a second. Give me some time. So what I'm implementing a crash. So when cat crashes, I want to show this, costume. So I'll just break the leg. That's it. I don't want to break anything else. Okay. Let's do it. Now, what we want to do is, let's say if, cat is down, I want that, it just crashes. So when we can do that? Based on some condition. Okay. For example, I can say that I think we can use a sensing or we can also use something else. What I can say now? We can use age. Okay. So what I will do in this forever, I will go and use this if condition and say if touching age, okay, then I will say switch costume to crash. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I'll go to the full screen, click on a green flag. I'm going up, left, right, everything is fine. But if I'm touching here, ooh, see? As soon as it's touched, it's gone, but it is not good. Okay, when it just comes down, then only I want to do it. So I need to find some better option.
So now it happened.
Okay, fine. So let's say what I want to do, once cat reaches down, I want to show that it is a crash. So how we can do, instead of this, I can say if my, see, when touching down means what? It is about y value or x value. Touching down means y value or x value.
Hey, children.
So it will be
Y-axis.
y.
Good.
Okay, so what I will say, if my y value is less than some number, for example, if you see currently, I can see that it is 150 here. So I can say if my y is less than 150, I will say it is a crash. Okay. So that also I can do. So let me go to the events control and I will say if, and I will also put this instead of age, I will remove this and say if my y, from I can get a y position here, I can get if y, but I need operator, remember? So I say if my y is less than minus 150, then what I want to do is I want to switch the costume to the crash. Okay, let's see. We'll start. Yay, my cat is flying. See, here I can see the Y position also. It's going down, it's going down. Oh. If I don't do anything, it will just go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. And as soon as it becomes 150, you will see, oh. Good? Good enough?
Sir, can
Awesome.
you go back to the script, sir?
Wait a second. I will show you the script. Okay. Cool. So I want all of you to, do at least this. After that, we will implement another thing also. Okay. Now, if my cat is flying and it hits some obstacles, then also it will be a crash.
Sir?
Yeah. Please.
So I have a doubt.
Yes,
So
please.
see, now you're putting switch backdrop to Galaxy and then switch costume to C1.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me what is the doubt here?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me what is the doubt? Hello, everyone. Are you able to hear me or some internet issue?
No, sir, we can hear you.
Okay, so who was asking a doubt?
Sir, me.
Okay, Sasa, please ask. You're saying, switch to backdrop to Galaxy and switch costume to C1. Yeah, tell me, what is your doubt?
Yeah, so sir, I'm like, when I go to my desktop, when I'm putting switch backdrop to Galaxy, it's coming switch costume to Galaxy and switch backdrop to C1, it's coming.
Can you share your screen quickly? And meanwhile, I want others to, implement this, write this, whatever I have done the changes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, please share your screen, Itasa. Okay, yeah, tell me now what you are saying.
Okay.
No, you already had, right? So you wrote where you wrote. Can you click on a stage? Can you click on a stage? Yeah. No. So where were the thing which you wrote earlier? I saw it. Okay, again click on a cat. Yeah, again click on a sprite, call a cat. Sprite 2 you can click. Currently you have clicked on a stage. You don't have to do anything on a stage. You can remove this. Remove this block. Whatever block you have, just remove it. Okay, good. Now click on a sprite 2. Okay, please write what you are saying. Tell me. So first of all, we need to add a backdrop. Okay, so how should we add it? Let's go to the backdrop. There is a,
Sir, I finished it.
yeah, fine. Wait a second. Wait. There is a plus, bottom corner. There is a button. Bottom. Yeah, click there. Choose a backdrop. Okay. Search for a galaxy. Or you can type it galaxy and it will come. Okay. Now again, click on a sprite 2. Now you will have an option to switch backdrop to galaxy. Okay, now that is for a backdrop. Now if you want to switch the costume, you need to have a costume. So what you need to do, first go to the costume. Okay, I think you already have. Okay, you have flying A costume. So I want you to, put other costume also. You know how to do it? Itas, I think you have muted your mic or something. Let me see. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, you're on a mute.
Yes, sir. Now can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Okay. So you can take other costume and do it quickly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can stop sharing. Are you able to
Yeah.
understand now Galaxy, how
Yes, sir.
Galaxy comes? Okay. Okay. So someone said, they are done. Who said? Please share your screen.
Yes, sir. I'm done. I finished it, sir. I
Okay.
can share it, sir.
Please quickly share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, I added one more thing to it, sir. It is like once it falls in a corner, it also say lose.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Let me show you.
Yeah, please show.
3, 2, 1. Sir, and once it goes. So before it used to do no. Yeah, sir.
Okay, good.
But I have to make it stop afterwards.
You need to hide that. How you can do that? You are saying say lose. Okay, so you need to write else also.
Okay, sir. So what do you mean else?
Okay, so if you
I think say for 1 second.
Okay, you meant this thing you have to say.
yes, or other option is say for 1 second only. That also can. Deepak, you have to cover if else, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Now I got it.
Yeah, no issues. We will cover this. This is pending. If else is pending.
So I have to go say lose for 2 seconds and then
1 second. Yeah, you can keep one lesser time.
ma'am, sir, 1 second and then I'll say hide.
No, I think 1 second means after 1 second it will be automatically go.
Okay, sir, let me try it.
Right? It went off. But it's instead of hello, you can change it to whatever you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So anyone else want to share a screen quickly? If not, then I will move to the next step. Anyone else wants to share? Okay, fine. Then let me continue. Let me share a screen. And I will just close this. I'll open up my Scratch. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to put some obstacles. And how we can do that? Okay, so if you see, obstacles are what? Obstacles are nothing but a sprites. So what I will do, I will click here and I will choose new sprites. And I can say obstacles are some kind of building. So let's see if I can find a building. Oh, good. So I got a building. So this is my one of the obstacles. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to write a script for this. So as soon as game start or as soon as I click on a green flag, I want the obstacles. So I will say when green flag is click, and I will say that
So the building has to move.
yes, we will make it move. Don't worry, we will make it move. So what I will do, as soon as we click on a green flag, I will first say that set, or I can say that, go to some number. So if you see right hand side corner will be X will be what? I can say my Y is 0, but my X will be, I'll take, I think what is that number? Currently I can see my X is 180, 184. Isn't it? Or it is not taking any value. I can see my sprite. Okay. Okay, Y value is coming down. Okay, so if when you get confused, what we need to do, you go here and see where the buildings are coming. Okay, it is here. So its position is here. Okay, so this is the center, X0, Y0. You see,
So if you add
all
mouse
are
X, it will,
centers. Yeah, tell me what you are saying.
if you add mouse X on your project, you will be, the building will be able to move when you're able to move, when you're moving your mouse.
When I am moving a mouse, yeah, but I don't want to do that. I want building to move. Okay, so what I will do, let me say, so first I want to, okay, let's give some value. I will say 150. Okay, let's see what happens. So when I click on a green flag, what I want that, okay, see, building is starts, here only. But now if we are keep on changing this backdrop, it is not looking good because we cannot have a building in a space, right? So what I will do first, I will go to my script and, change the backdrop. I will remove all this backdrop. I don't need, I need a simple backdrop, which is, that cloud thing or something. Or maybe if someone is comfortable, they can take a city. Do we have a city? Night city. Okay, let's see. I think I'm fine with the night city. So let me run it again. Yeah. So I have night city and no backdrops are not changing. I'm okay. Anything is missing? Yes. That is why it is not going up. This is also missed. It is not going up. Okay, now it's working fine. Left, right, down. Good. So this is okay. Now what I want my, building to move. Now if I want to move my building, what should I do? I should run this forever and I will say change X position, change Y position of a building. How can I change that? Or another thing I can do is I can do the repeat, but instead of that, what I will do, once green flag click, I will say change my X position or Y position. Initially, I will change the X and Y position, and then I will keep on changing the X and Y position. So let me say, this to maybe 200. X I'm setting to 200, Y I'm setting to 0. Now I want to change a Y. So what I will do? I will say change y by y, this side is a y. Okay, sorry, my mistake. I need to change the x. So I will change x by minus 10. Let's see. Okay, so you can try multiple time and see if it is working fine. Ooh. You saw?
Yes, sir.
Building is moving, but it is moving very fast. Okay. And once building moves, I want to also, like it should come again, right? It should come again. So for that, what should we do? First of all, I don't want to keep minus 10. I will say minus 2, so that, building comes slowly. So that, my cat can fly. Okay, so this is fine. Now, once building reaches here, what I need to do? I need to again want to start from this side. So how can I do it? Any idea? Anyone? Once building reaches this side, again I need to start from right side, so that it looks like that buildings are coming, so many buildings are coming. So once I reach here, what should I do? Once I reach here, what should I do? Anyone? So it
Move the
says,
building.
sorry,
Jump on the building.
how?
Sir, the cat is going down really slowly. Sir, what's the script for it? Okay, sir.
Wait a second. So I'm asking everyone, just don't copy the script, okay? Please understand. And if you are not able to follow, ask the questions. So everyone is able to understand. One, my building touches here.
Yes,
I
sir.
want the building to come from this side, right side again. Because if you have seen the game, right? Building keeps on coming. Then it will look like, the cat is flying very fast and buildings are coming. Okay. Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, so in that case, what we can do? We can again start our building to come from here. So how we can do that? We can say, we can go to, there are multiple ways to do it. One is to use, this. I can say that if, it is touching a edge, I can say that set x and y back to the original values. So I can say set x to the x to y to 0, and I can say set x to 200. Let's see if it doesn't work, we'll change it. No issues. Let me try. Okay, what happened? Now my buildings are not moving. Cat is moving. Means I'm doing some mistake. Okay, so if touching edge, then that means this is wrong. This will not work. So the moment I remove this, it is working fine. Okay, so I can't use this. Now somehow I need to figure it out. If it touches here, we want to again start. So I can say, what is the y value as of now? Y is 0, x is 266. So I can say x value, let me see, and I will say if x value is, I will go to the operator and say if x value is less than minus 200 or 250. 250, let me keep it 250. If x value is less than 250, then what I want to do is I want to again set x to 200. Let's see if this works or not. Otherwise, we'll again do the changes. Okay, let's start. Ooh. See, once it reaches, again my building is coming. Correct?
So try touching. Will the cat get a fracture?
We have to implement, brother. We need to do that, right? We have not written a script. So as of now, what I have done, I have written a script where cat can fly and building will come and move. Another thing what we want to do is every time same building is coming, right? We can change the building also. How? When this it touches, next time it should give us a new building. If we want to do that, what should we do? I can say switch costume, or I can just say next costume. Okay, so with this, what will happen? If you see in the building, we have so many buildings. So next costume keep on coming. Let's see. We will do that. Okay, whatever you're saying about fracture when it touches, we will do that step by step. Everyone is able to follow. Now we are getting new building every time. See, this look like our cat is flying. Zoo. Everyone is following?
Sir, but the building looks like half the next building.
In that case, what we need to do, we need to change the backdrop and we'll get some good backdrop. Not like this. I think we can get the blue sky. Okay.
Sir, what are all the buildings? I can't see. I don't see them in the sprite list or whatever costumes.
Wait a second. Who is that?
No, sir, I got it, sir. I got it.
Okay.
All the buildings are already there.
Okay, so now I change my backdrop to blue sky. Okay, let's see. We'll get another building. Everyone is able to follow till now? Okay, so
Yes,
I'll
sir.
stop. Yeah, I want all of you to do these changes and implement it. Then after that, once cat touches the building, we will do something else. Okay, so this is a script for a cat because cat is flying, and this is a script for a building.
Yes, sir. So can we make a football game that when you score it to the goal, it will be you will get a score from variables.
Yes, we can do that also. So what I want, you please note it down, all those game what you want to make. Okay, so when we are planning to finish the course, at the end we will have a project. So okay, at that time you can create this kind of game.
Sir, can you go back?
You want to see this script? Okay, so if you see here, this is a script for a cat and this is a script for a building. So with this script, what will happen? Building will keep on coming, and every time next building will come.
Sir, but mine. The building is not going fully. It's getting stuck in the middle. and the next building is coming.
There must be some issue. Can you share your screen quickly?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so tell me, you're changing x by -2 setting. Okay, because why you have changed the set? Okay, this is also fine. Why x position? What has to be? It should be less than minus 150, right? What I have kept. You're given the 50 only. That is the cause of a problem.
So what does that have to be?
Minus 250 because left hand side is a minus 250 point.
Okay, sir.
If you're not able to understand, let me again explain that. So just for explanation, what I will do, I will change the backdrop and I'll put a grid. Okay, so if you see, and now we will, start a game. Oh, sorry. I think I need to change the backdrop also here in a cat. So I will say switch backdrop to XY. Okay, now let me start a game. Okay, so if you see, this side is X minus 240. This side is X plus 240. So once X become, minus 240, what are we doing? We are, changing and again starting this from a X plus 240. That is what we are doing. And I'm keeping Y 0 means every time Y position will be same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me, who is sharing? Pratik is sharing.
Yes, I got it now. It's coming.
Okay, fine. You can stop sharing. Okay, let me stop. Let me, put into this. Okay, so please, I want all of you to do at least this and please save your script because I don't need that, next class you will say that, oh, it is not there. You're spending.
What is the time when should I think?
Sorry?
What is the time when should we start the Zoom tomorrow?
Who is that?
Shesha, sir.
No, tomorrow we don't have anything. Okay, I will individually, ask
Next
everyone.
Thursday.
Yeah, next class is on a next Thursday. But during this week, I will individually call, all of you. Maybe I'll contact your parents first. Okay, and if you're facing any issues, we can have one-on-one call.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so next class is on next Tuesday. And I want all of you, your parents to come in that class. Okay, and also next Thursday we have a quiz. So next Thursday quiz and also it's kind of PTM. Okay.
How is the quiz even gonna be like?
Yeah, that we are thinking. So what we will do, we will share a question and I will ask one by one. Okay, different question for everyone and everyone has to answer.
Sir, but you said tomorrow we'll do a separate Zoom meeting.
Sorry.
Sir, but you said tomorrow we'll do a separate Zoom meeting.
Yeah, that is for maybe some of the people who are not able to do it. I think Itasa is not able to save the script properly, or if you have any issues, then we can have it. But I will inform you.
So I know to save, but I forgot to save it.
No, but you need to learn, right? This is not the way, and I think you are making this mistake from the beginning. Okay, so tomorrow only I will call them. Whoever is facing the issue, for them only session is there. Okay, so don't worry. Our regular class is on a next Thursday, and during that class we have a quiz and it's a kind of PTM also. So I will ask your parents to come, and if any of problem you are facing any problems, we want to just get a feedback.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
No, yeah, fine. So as of now, I want all of you to implement this till this point, and please save. I will say just save, and I can just replace it.
Sir, when I was trying to do it, it said the same thing, but I said cancel and then I put off the same thing and then it's all gone, sir.
Who is that? Vishesha or Itasa? Itasa.
Pratik, sir.
Pratik. Why Pratik you are doing this mistake?
But the rest of the stuff came, but mistakenly the building part went off.
It's okay. So every time you make something, no, have a habit of doing like this. Save to computer, and if it is same game or same project, just say same and replace. If it is a new, then you can give a new name. Okay.
Sir,
I
is it
think.
fine if I copy it back? It's very less.
Sorry.
Is it fine if I copy the script back again?
Yeah, you can do it. Not an issue. Okay, so let me ask. Okay, who we have? Okay, Skanda, are you able to follow what we are doing today?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to share a screen?
Sir, but which one, sir?
This flying cat. Have you done it?
No, sir. I was listening to what you were saying.
Why you are not doing?
Sir, I was listening to what you were saying.
Yeah, I understand that, but I'm saying why you are not doing on a scratch. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'll do it now, sir.
Yeah, please do it. Okay. Okay, now what about Ryan?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Have you done all this thing in your scratch?
Yeah, I did it last class, sir, but then I forgot to save it.
Okay, so from next class onwards, I don't need this excuses. If you are facing a problem in saving, let me know. I will have a separate call and I will explain you how to save it and how to load it back.
Okay, yes, sir. I don't have any problems. It's just I forgot to.
Okay, so as of now, you can make it quickly. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, who else? Vishesha,
Yes, sir.
are you able to follow what are we doing today?
Yes, sir.
And have you done this or no?
No, sir, I'm doing it.
Why you people are not doing?
Sir, can you go to the building script, sir? Yes, sir.
Okay, what about Itasa? You're following what we are doing?
Yes, sir, I'm doing that now.
Okay, please do it. Okay, it's okay, if it takes more time, but I want all of you to do it. See, this is not our cartoon or a movie. If you just keep on listening, you will understand, but you will not be able to do on your own. And I want that you should be able to do on your own, and you should be able to make your own games, small games, small, visiting card and stuff like that. And end of the course, you can make those things and you can share with your parents. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell me.
sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, so now if I'm taking the flying U and I wanted to put it, but then it's coming. When I'm taking flying U, it's coming for the I'm writing a script and I'm writing another script for the example, I'm writing another script for the cat only, but it's coming flying U and both the sides is coming flying U, but I wanted to come flying crash in one script and flying U in one script.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are you saying? So switch costume to flying crash. X position is less than minus 150, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is X position is less than minus 150. First change, do that, Itasa.
And sir, even change by x minus 0.2. Sir?
Yeah.
That's sir.
No, this is Itasa's screen. Itasa, you need to your change by
Yes.
x was right, but instead of 0.2, we need to do minus 0.2. Okay, good. Say minus 0.2. It's gone. Where is the minus? 0.2. Good. Okay, now here you need to say minus 150. It is not a 150. Okay, now put this entire thing inside the forever block. Okay, good. Yeah, tell me now, what is your doubt? You are talking about flying you. What is that?
Sir, can you hear me?
And yes, I can hear you now. I think you were on a mute.
So
Yes,
in
sir.
Scratch we are not able to. Can we make a Spider-Man game, or is it's not able to be done?
We can make it. Okay, so Itasal, tell me what was your
Yes,
doubt?
yes, sir. So now it's written flying. It's written flying cat here. So on the script, I need to put it flying you here.
Okay, so first go to the
So
costume. Okay, so do you have all this thing? First, create all this thing.
yes, sir, I have it.
Okay, so it will be good now if you give a proper name, otherwise it becomes very confusing and problematic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will do it.
So, sir, yeah, I'll do it. But, sir, I have a doubt. Like when I'm putting flying crash, I wanted to come flying you for the other script, but flying you is not coming.
Where is the flying you here?
It's there in a script, sir.
No.
Here.
Where is the costume? In a
I have
costume,
to
do
put
you
it
have?
here.
Yeah, I understand, but where is in the costume? Go to the costume. Where is that flying you? You have to create that, no?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, just stop sharing. I will share my screen and understand, okay? Okay, so if you go to the costume here, you can see I have all this. C1, flying U means I rename it to up. Flying D is for a down. Flying R is for a right. Flying left is L for a left. And crashing. Okay, so you have those many costume, but you have to give proper name and then you need to
So can you
put
put
it
it to
here.
the code?
Are you able to follow, Itasa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to put some more script, and whenever my cat touches a building, I will say crash. Okay, let's do that. So how we can do? I can say control. I will say if, and I will go to the sensing if touching building. I will say switch costume to crash, and I want immediately to fall my cat. So if I want to say fall my cat means I can say glide. Also I can say, I think let's make it glide. It will go slowly. We will change it if it doesn't look good. So I'll say glide. I will say glide, switch costume and glide to the ground. So ground position, if you see, it will be what? It will be minus, right? Everything is my x is y is minus 180 and x is also, I can say, somewhere I can, right. So I can, let's say, y is minus 150 and x I will put where? X I can basically take any random value, but for time being we will put x value is also somewhere here. So I will say minus 100 for example. Okay, later on we will change it. Okay, so and I will put this block here. Let's see how it goes. So what I'm saying, when my cat touches a building, I'm changing a costume to the crash and also saying, glide it to the ground. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Let me start. Yeah, I'm flying, going right, going left, no issues. Oh, building came. Oh, touch, zoom. See? So again, I can start flying. As soon as it touches the building, it just breaks.
Sir,
Going up. Yeah, tell me.
can you show the code?
Yeah, give me a second. I will show it to you. See, now again, it going down, but it touches the building. Gone. Okay. So let me stop here. Okay, lay. Okay, so what changes I did? I added this block again here. What I'm saying, if my sprite is touching the building, then switch costume to the flying crash, means it will look like that, cat broke the leg and it will glide 1 second to some position. So if you see that position is here, so every time it hits, it comes here. Everyone is able to follow?
Yes, sir.
I want all of you to do this. It is very simple game. Okay, and let me save this again. So every time you do some changes, have a practice of saving, otherwise it will just go.
Sir, can you show this? Leave it like this, sir. Sir, one thing went wrong, sir, in my code.
What happened?
Sir, whenever it's going to 50, it's not breaking into parts, even though I put it all right.
Okay, quickly share your screen.
Okay, sir. And I'll also copy that script that you showed me.
Okay.
Look, sir.
Okay, so what are you saying?
Sir, in this only.
Yeah, what is your doubt?
Sir, whenever I play this, once I go down to 150,
Because you have written the wrong condition. Y position is less than minus 150.
minus,
Yeah, not equal to, less than. Okay, you can stop sharing. Let me share a screen.
Sir,
I'll copy the script that you showed.
see the code?
Sir.
Yeah. Now. That's also. Sir, can you show the building one code? Thank you, sir.
Sir, in that cat breaking on, sir, whatever you call that sprite one, sir. What is there in that glide? Yes, sir. In that one. Glide
Minus 100,
minus
minus
100 and
150.
minus 150.
Okay, I will share this video, today's class video on YouTube, and I want all of you to finish this flying cat till this point. Okay.
Sir, can you just show the building one? Yes. Thank you, sir.
And children, don't leave. I want to say something.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes, this maths quiz also you keep ready, children. Just we have to add some code for subtraction only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that
Okay,
code.
ma'am.
Yeah, that subtraction code we will add in class, and we will complete the project. Okay. If you didn't save, so make it again and save it till addition. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you keep this the building script like this only, sir? Can I finish it?
Yeah, you can, please.
Or you can take the pic, no?
Anyway, I'll be sharing the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so again, to remind everyone, next class, I will request all of your parents to join. Okay, maybe 10-15 minutes, not more than that. It's a kind of PTM. And then we will have a quiz. Okay, so I want all of you to just practice or prepare, and then I will ask question to each and every one of you. Okay,
Sir,
so
can you go back in your slide?
Sir, can you go back to the building one?
don't worry, you can finish it after a class. Okay, maybe I will share video by tomorrow morning. Okay.
So you said you'll share it on YouTube.
Yeah, I will share it on YouTube only, but by tomorrow morning. I see that you're finding it difficult to access on other link, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
will share it on YouTube only. So if you see, I don't know what is a class number. Today is maybe class 11. Okay. So I will share that. You can see class 11. And I will also mention flying cat. Let me see. Yes, it's a class 11. Okay. So I will put like this, class 10, then date. Today is a 5th October. So class 11, 5 October and 20. Okay. And then I will share it on a WhatsApp, and you can go through it and finish the game. Okay. So I would like to stop here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I will individually ask all of you if you have any question. Probably we'll have a call, but our next class is on a Thursday, and during that class we will have a quiz, and also I will request all of your parents to come to give us feedback. It is kind of PTM. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye. Bye. Have a nice day.
Everyone.
Yeah, please save your work. Please save your work.
Sir, I already saved mine, sir.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Please save. Yeah. Bye.